Hi guys, today we're gonna replace a cabin filter on a Vauxhall Astra H. To do this, we're gonna take off the glove box, which has 4 bolts, one here, one there, and one there, and might have to take this off. So I'll take it by taking this off, and I'll come back to you. Okay, with the bolts taken out, we're just gonna pull out the glove box like this. I'm gonna leave it down, make sure it's not gonna break this wire there. And the cabin filter is going to be behind this panel here, which has a 6mm or 5.5, I don't know exactly, bolt. I'm gonna take this out, and this one here, and then we're gonna take it out. Okay, so I've removed the bolts here. They are 6mm, and now we're just gonna pull this cover. Out, and this is going to be your cabin filter. It's quite hard to take out, honestly. I'm gonna need 2 hands. I'll be back. Okay, so it was quite a struggle to take it out, but here it is. As you can see all the filter, the direction of the air. We're gonna fit the neon. We're gonna make sure the airflow is alright. So the motor is here, so the air is going that way. So I'm gonna make sure the arrow. Yeah, that's it. And I'm gonna need 2 hands again. Okay, so I'm gonna push it all the way in, make sure it's not bent. Then we're gonna refit the cover. I'm gonna put the bolts back in. And then we're gonna put the glove box back. Now the bolts are back in. We're gonna lift the glove box and put it back in. And then we're gonna refit the bolts. Okay, now all the bolts are back in. Close the glove box, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one.